Christmas in Jamaica is a vibrant fusion of cultural traditions. It blends African heritage with British colonial influences. This creates a unique celebration that is full of life and color. From grand markets to family feasts, Christmas in Jamaica is a special time. It is a time for communities to come together and celebrate. The festive season begins in early December. The anticipation builds as Christmas Day approaches. Jamaicans decorate their homes with Christmas lights and colorful decorations. They paint their houses and trim their hedges, preparing for the festivities. The air is filled with the sounds of Christmas carols, both traditional and reggae versions. The spirit of Christmas is everywhere. Christmas in Jamaica is a time for family, friends, and faith. It is a time to enjoy delicious food, lively music, and warm hospitality. One of the most iconic traditions of Christmas in Jamaica is the Grand Market. Held on Christmas Eve, Grand Market transforms towns and cities into bustling hubs of activity. It's a time for last-minute shopping and soaking up the festive atmosphere. During the day, people browse the stalls, searching for the perfect gifts, fresh produce, and Christmas treats. The market is a sensory delight with the aromas of spices, jerk chicken, and freshly baked goods filling the air. As the sun begins to set, the Grand Market truly comes alive. Music fills the air with the sounds of reggae, dancehall, and traditional Christmas carols blending together. People dress in their finest clothes, ready to celebrate through the night. The Grand Market is a true testament to the vibrant spirit of Christmas in Jamaica. No Jamaican Christmas celebration would be complete without a traditional Christmas dinner. This feast is a central part of the holiday, bringing families and friends together to share a delicious meal. The star of the show is often a succulent brown stew chicken, slow cooked to perfection with spices and herbs. Other favorites include curry goat, roast beef, and ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. No Jamaican Christmas dinner is complete without rice and peas, a flavorful dish cooked in coconut milk and spices. Side dishes are plentiful, with options like plantains, sweet potato pudding, and festival, a fried dough fritter. The meal is a true celebration of Jamaican flavors, showcasing the island's rich culinary heritage. Sorrel is the quintessential Christmas drink in Jamaica. This vibrant red beverage is made from the sepals of the sorrel plant, which blooms in abundance during the Christmas season. The dried sorrel is steeped in boiling water with ginger, pimento, and other spices, creating a tart and refreshing drink. Sugar is added to taste, and some people like to add a splash of rum or white overproof rum for an extra kick. Sorrel is often served chilled and is the perfect complement to the rich flavors of the Christmas feast. The drink is more than just a beverage. It's a symbol of Jamaican Christmas, enjoyed by people of all ages. Section 5. The Art of Jamaican Christmas Cake. Jamaican Christmas cake, also known as black cake, is a testament to the island's love affair with spices and rum. This dark, rich cake is a labor of love, made with dried fruits that have been soaked in rum for months. The making of Christmas cake is a cherished tradition in many Jamaican families, with recipes passed down through generations. The fruits, which include raisins, currants, prunes, and cherries, are soaked in rum and sometimes wine for months, allowing them to plump up and infuse the cake with their flavors. The cake is spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, giving it its signature warm and aromatic flavor. Jamaican Christmas cake is a true indulgence, enjoyed as a special treat during the holiday season. Section 6. The Heart of Christmas in Jamaica. Beyond the vibrant festivities and delicious food, Christmas in Jamaica is a time for reflection, family, and faith. It is a time to reconnect with loved ones, share gratitude, and celebrate the true meaning of the season. Church services are an integral part of Christmas in Jamaica, with many people attending midnight mass or Christmas morning services. The churches are beautifully decorated and the services are filled with joyous singing and celebration. Family is at the heart of Christmas in Jamaica. Extended families often gather together, sharing meals, stories, and laughter. Gift-giving is a part of the tradition, but the true gift is the time spent together, strengthening bonds and creating lasting memories. Section 7. The Joy of Community and Faith. Christmas in Jamaica is not just a private celebration, it's a communal affair. The spirit of togetherness extends beyond family and friends, embracing entire communities. Streets come alive with the sounds of carols, and neighborhoods organize festive events. From Christmas concerts to community dances, there's a palpable sense of joy and unity in the air. People greet each other with warm wishes and share food and drinks. This sense of community is what makes Christmas in Jamaica so special. It's a time when differences are set aside and people come together to celebrate the spirit of the season. Section 8. Festive Flavors and Entertainment. The culinary delights of Jamaican Christmas extend beyond the traditional dinner. Street food vendors offer a tempting array of treats, from jerk chicken to roasted breadfruit and fried fish cakes. Sweet treats abound, with favorites like gizzada, a tart made with coconut and spices, and rum cake, a moist and boozy cake soaked in rum syrup. No Jamaican Christmas celebration is complete without Jonkunnu. This traditional form of street parade features elaborately costumed dancers and musicians. With their vibrant costumes and energetic performances, Jonkunnu parades bring a unique flavor to the Christmas season, blending African traditions with Christmas cheer. Section 9. Conclusion. The magic of Jamaican Christmas. Christmas in Jamaica is a magical time. It's a celebration of life, family, and culture, where time-honored traditions blend seamlessly with modern influences. From the lively grand market to the heartwarming family dinners and the joyous sounds of carols, Christmas in Jamaica is an experience unlike any other. It's a time to embrace the warmth of the Jamaican spirit, to savor the flavors of the island, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're lucky enough to experience Christmas in Jamaica firsthand or simply want to learn about the island's unique traditions, one thing's for sure. Jamaican Christmas is a celebration that will stay with you long after the last of the sorrel has been drunk and the final slice of Christmas cake has been enjoyed.